Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your mineralogy teacher, Jen, and it's time for Wordplay Wednesday. What is my hair doing? Oh my goodness. Anyway, this month has been all about metals, and many metals can only be found in an ore. But what is an ore? Well, an ore is a naturally occurring rock or mineral deposit that contains something valuable in economically viable amounts, meaning it needs to be enough to offset the cost of extracting it. Not all ore rocks are mined for metals. Some of them have minerals that are useful for other various industrial projects and things like that. So we're going to go through various types of ore rocks and the minerals that we use from them. So we're going to start with igneous deposits. So this is a pegmatite. Pegmatites contain minerals for industrial use such as quartz, feldspars, and many other things. And by industrial use, we mean like you can use these minerals to make various products. Feldspars are used in like clay mineral masks and things like that, and quartz is used for bajillion things. Then sulfides often contain various metals like copper and nickel, but some, like this chromite, are the only source of the metal chromium. So we can't get chromium any other way as of right now. This igneous rock is a kimberlite. It's a type of peridotite, and it's the primary source for diamonds, which is a carbon allotrope. Then we have metamorphic deposits. Many metamorphic ores are mined for gemstones like garnets, or for metals like tin or tungsten. Then there are sedimentary deposits. As I mentioned on Monday, if you got to check out the Monday's mineral, if you haven't, check it out. But as I mentioned in that one, laterites provide a lot of nickel and iron ore. And a massive source of iron comes from banded iron formations, or BIFs, which are bands of sedimentary rock with high concentrations of a singular metal found anywhere. Like, this is a ridiculously high concentration of iron. And frankly, isn't it gorgeous? Another sedimentary deposit that we've talked about previously with gold are placer deposits, where you can find, well, gold. Then we have some deposits that are directly associated with plate tectonics, specifically convergent plate boundaries. The leading source for copper ore comes from convergent plate boundaries in deposits known as porphyry copper deposits. These typically form as hydrothermal deposits, things like hot springs, which were caused by partial melting of the crust, as shown in this diagram. So you can see that we've got our oceanic crust sinking below our continental crust. We've got some partial melting. It's coming up here. And right at the top of my head is where our porphyry deposit is. And we've got one of the biggest ones here in Utah. The copper mine that's in the Oquirrh Mountains is one of these porphyry deposits. Well, thanks for tuning in to learn about ores. And if you come back tomorrow, you can learn about yet another important physicist from Denmark. I will fossilize you later.